hello, if, for example, you have the output of a model and you have a Swift document, our RMW document or an armor down document, to see the outputs of that model in a report, I will tell you how to put them in the ICES TAF framework. The ICES TAF framework is ICES Transparent Assessment Framework, and it is a framework where everything used in the assessment should be stored to make the process, the assessment, totally transparent and totally reproducible, so you can see if you refer to some data, you know where is that data, everything there. Usually also the model itself. But using this Swift, this RNB or RNW document and the outputs of the model, it's a shortcut that I'm using. Maybe later we can make the whole stuff with the model included. But for today, this is what we have. Okay? So let's see our main ingredients to do this. So I have it here. So main ingredients. So you need a folder with some data. Here I have an Excel file that we will need for the RNW document, but it maybe could be also a different type of source, different type of file that you require as data. And also I have this software folder with all LaTeX dependencies, because this is our RNW and it has a lot of LaTeX files that we will need. And also I will need this RNW document, that is the document I told you. Maybe later we can see it. And also this report.r that we are going to see later. So this is what we have here in the computer, but we need also to have, well, that's the way I do it. You need also to have the outputs of your model in a GitHub repository. You can have them, just put them in the data folder as files. That's also okay, but I prefer just to take it from the web, and now they are stored here, organized in this way. Okay, so these are the outputs that my RNW document uses for the report. So okay, I have this here, and let's go to the, okay, this is main ingredients. So I'm going to create just a folder like 2021 report from scratch. TAF report from scratch. Better, no? Okay, just an empty folder, and I'm going to open RStudio and to create a new project in this existing directory. No, this is not the one. We have this report from scratch, TAF report from scratch, this one. This one was also a fail trying to do this, but I guess now it's going to work. So to test, this is the, here we're going to create our project. Okay, so it's there, so create project. When I create a project, it's just create a whole RStudio workspace, and everything that we do here is going to be stored in this RStudio project. So now what we can see here in our folder is that we have this and this icon and this folder, which I want to store just the session, the art session we have. So okay, let's go here. Okay, and here we're going to open one of the ingredients we have. What is the ingredient? So here, here, main ingredients. Okay, this TAF code from scratch. Okay, yes, this code will give us the instructions to follow in this TAF framework. But this is because I have it, but you can recover that if you go here to so ICES TAF repository /doc. Here you have creating a TAF analysis. You have to ask ICES to create a repository. We are going to avoid this because we are creating our own as a proof. So just forget about this cloning. But we're going to start with this, with make a skeleton, okay? So let's see what happened when I put this make a skeleton. So okay, TAF skeleton in my folder. Yes, I'm in the okay, perfect. Oh, sorry, first I have to load the library. That's important, and then I have to go to TAF skeleton. Okay, what happened now? Let's see in the structure. So it creates a whole structure with some files, our files, and a folder called Bootstrap. I open this Bootstrap, I have an initial folder, and inside a data folder. So exactly as the manual here says. So you put TAF skeleton, and then you have this structure, Bootstrap initial data, and these files. Okay, now upload initial data is the next step. So let's do it. So I'm going to take from the ingredients this folder, this data folder, this, yes. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it here in this data folder, like this. Okay? Now I can put, yes, I have to put just one file there to create the following, you will see. So I put the file there. I need to put a file, even if it is an empty file, but you need to put a file for the next step. Okay? This is something that we need, but if you don't have a file and all you have are links to the web, you will need to put there a file. Okay, so let's go again to RStudio. So, okay. Now I'm going to do this, draft data. So for every input I put in that folder, I need to give some specifications on what are the sources for that file, what is in that file, what are the periods covered in that file. You will see. So I put here draft data and originator WG Hansa, which is the ICES group that I work, where I am, well, all this work goes in. So let's just do this draft data. Okay, so what this draft data did? This function just, if I go again to this folder, okay, and I go back, initial, okay, that looks the same. But if I go here, I have a new file, this data bib file. Okay, this draft data creates this entry. So this is the entry for that file. Okay, so I have to put the year, the title, the period, and some information in that. But in having this, you can put the other ones. You don't need again to repeat the process with all the other files. You can just put them here. So I'm going to take it from elsewhere because I have it ready, and it's here. So I have it here. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to put it here, I guess. Yes. So this is the one for Anna West, and if you see, it's the same as the last one here. But I will show you. Okay, here this one, survey trend, that. Okay, yes, that's the one. Is this one? Okay, so but this is more complete, so I can erase just this. And now I have my data.bib. Okay, here this data.bib is taking also some files from our repository in GitHub, from the repository that I told you before. So here, okay, file. Okay, so yes, so here this is the structure of the other ones, but I need how to have this address. If you see, this address is not the same as the one for the repository. How I get this address of the raw data that it is in the repository, I will show you. So the only thing is I have to go to the repository here. Okay, it's here. I have to go to the repository here, and then here in this place you just put this, click here and click here in view row, but no, don't click, just with the right click, yes, and open link in new tab. Okay, don't open it, but what we are going to use is this address here. Okay, this is the address we have to put here to be downloaded. So I just put it here, and it is supposed to work with output. And also here I just have to change output by params in. So I'm going just to, okay, here I changed this one by params in. Okay, and this one I have to change this by WGTS. Okay, and this one also, this raw git user content is sometimes it appears like that, but both are okay, but better to have the exact address is just to do it in the way I told you. Okay, and here also, oh, what was this? Optifile, I guess. Yes, Optifile. And here you have res by year, so exactly the same. By here instead, res by year. Okay, so now I have this, and now I'm going to run the following. Well, I'm going to tell you where it says that better here. So it says, okay, you upload the files, okay, make that available to the assessment. The only way to do this is to create a file reference. This is what we did, but we did it with this draft data function. Yes, we did this, and then run the function taf bootstrap. Okay, this function is going to take this. It's going to take these inputs and it's going to download it and it's going to put it in some folder. Okay, let's see how it works. So we go here to R. Yes. Okay, so just tap bootstrap. Okay. Okay. But it just take this. Oh, sorry. Sorry. You know what happened? There is something that I forgot. I said it's something weird. Yes, because you need to see that it is downloading all this. This is not, this has this star here. This means we haven't saved it yet. So I have to save. Yes, now I save. Now I can run this. So now I can run this taf bootstrap here. And as you see, it is downloading the output, the WGTS, and all the files that I need to have available for later, for my RMW document. So again, what I'm going to do here in the folder, okay, so it will need also to have from the main ingredients. I told you we need this software LaTeX folder, okay? This has all these files, so just I'm going to copy them and I'm going to put them here next to data. Bootstrap initial data, yes, because it's initial. New folder, this is software, okay, and I put here these LaTeX dependencies. Okay, now that I have this, I'm just go again to R, and I'm going to put this function draft software. For this draft software, I didn't find the documentation in the tutorial I told you before, but I'm going to show you how it works. So I put draft software, and I'm going to put here just the total path bootstrap initial software LaTeX of the folder that I want to be imported, okay? So I'm just going to run this function. Okay. And we would see what happened in the folders. Okay, so here in Bootstrap, oh, this is the thing. Now we have this data folder, we have this data bib, and we have also this software.bib. So let's see what is this software bib. Okay, again, yes, it's called LaTeX, and it has this source is I'm just explaining where to look for these files that we need, auxiliary files. And again, I'm going to make a trick because I have it. And I'm going here, and I'm going to put here this. Okay. So here, I'm going to put it as before here, but okay, yes, I have it then. This is, as you see, this is the same as this, but a little bit complete, more complete with all the instructions, with all the fields filled. Okay, so, and also it has some other entries. It has an entry for this package or gadget. This also takes some. If you put some packages, you can put just here I have our gadget, and here is just the GitHub repository where to find it. And I want exactly this version, not other. This version to work with my document, because the next year, this is going to change. Probably the package change at some point, and I don't want that to affect my script, okay? And also I have this, yes, and this for tidyverse. So yes, we have this. Don't forget to save again. Save. And again, I'm going to make TAF bootstrap and we will see what is going to happen. Okay? So let's go there. We have this. And let's go to R. Okay, and again, TAF bootstrap. Okay, so it just with the address of the repository, it knows it is in GitHub, and it just go there to GitHub to take the tarball that I need, the exact tarball that I need. So it is downloading. It is downloading. Let's see how it changes. If we can see some changes in the folders right now. So let's go here. Oh, well, yes, we have something different. We have also this library file here and this software. So let's see what is there. Again, this wasn't here. So it takes from here and it goes here. A new, we have this software. Oh, now we have this, the version of this. We have also the folder that we need. And okay, this is perfect. And for library, we have this our gadget library. Okay, just the library needed. Okay, so it creates new things that we will need to run the RNW file. Okay, so now I guess we have all this. Let's see, finish or not. It's thinking. Okay, I don't know exactly what it's thinking, but let's wait. So okay, the other ingredient that we needed was main ingredients. Okay, I told you, was this RNW document. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it here in the outside. Okay. And also I'm going to take this report.r. Yeah, well, let's see first what is the report that we have here from default. So let's see this report. This report is just it just loads the library and create a directory called report. Okay. But we're going to use, again, I'm going to make a trick and I'm going not to use this report by default. I'm going to use my own report, which was in main ingredients. Okay, so here I have the report. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's there. Okay, so here I have the library. Okay, I guess I did this with, I have here all the instructions, these instructions, but we did it already, so we are not going to do this again. So just the library, it's already loaded, so I don't need to do this one, I don't need to do this one, I don't need to do this one. Okay. And also, yes, well, I'm going to put it here because I need to tell the system to, oh no, it is created, so no, I don't need it. So just remove this because they are created. It's okay. So I'm just going to put here a create the report, and this CP is copy the folder bootstrap data, and I'm going to change this. Okay, bootstrap software is the only thing I know I need. Software, yes, just the folder, the whole folder. Oh, software LaTeX, yes, this is the one. Okay, I need to take all the data from there, from the other file. This is telling just take the data and put it into report. Take the latest dependencies and put it into report. And also take the Swift document, the RNW document, and put it into report. Okay, I'm going to remove this one, and then it's going here. If I have a package loaded just for TAF, I put TAF library to load that package. So let's see how it goes. I guess it's going to fail at some point, but until here we have everything we need to run it. I guess the errors that we are going to have will be here in this Swift, but this is just running my document, my report document. Maybe not, but certainly yes. But if we have that, I feel like done, and we can leave it there. And then I will show you the output when I correct all the problems in the file. Okay, good. Okay, TAF library. Okay, but okay. This is taking our gadget, but not the R gadget, not an R gadget, any R gadget, just the R gadget that I say I want this R gadget, this version. Okay, so now I'm in the report, and now prepare to have a lot of errors. Well, it is thinking. That's a good thing. Let's save this in the meantime. Oh no, I can't do anything. See if I have this report. This is main ingredients report. Oh no, it's save as. And I'm going to stop. I'm just don't pay attention now. Here I'm going. It has to be here in the report. Report.r. It has to be here. This is the default report, and I have to be here. Okay. Yes. Replace. I want this to be here. Okay. Okay. Okay, these are warnings, so it doesn't look bad, but yes, it will take a while. So, well, let's see what is the error. Let's wait. I guess we can wait. Well, I can put a speed up this part. So but this is a good thing. It worked. It worked. Oh, this is so okay, it says run, you can now run PDF later. Okay, so let's do it and see what happened. Okay, so I put this, read the name of the file, the text file. It creates a text file. You will see it. I will show you. Text file. Well, you will see now it has a lot of things. So now if I go here, I can go here to the report. You will see everything is there. All the plots created. This is something that I really need to see. With data, with everything there. But what I am interested now is in this file which was created .tech. Okay? And I can run it from here with this assessment. I put this name, then I said system paste PDF LaTeX. This is something that Ubuntu has by default, this compiler, this PDF LaTeX compiler, so I didn't need to install anything else. So let's run it. Okay. Now it creates a new file which is aux.aux. I put it here, and for that this is for the bibliography, so tech. Okay, good. And I used to compile twice this red again to have it totally ready. Okay. Oh, sorry, I did it too fast maybe. Okay, so now we are supposed to have a PDF. I want to PDF here. So we are supposed to have a PDF. Yes, we have it here. This file, this RNWs, was a mixture of all this text and also the how to use the outputs to produce the plots. So here you have all this text is there. So it was there. But for example, what things changed? This is the same, but for example, these files. Oh, I have to change these links because this is our older files. But here, okay, remarkable model assumptions. Okay. Here the things starts to change. Well, here if something changes, I have to put it. But now I'm interested more in the plots. So how these plots change. So this is new. These values are taken from the results also. This plot is taken from the results, comparing data with the feed. Here you have the residuals. Okay. And here we have, I want to see these values just to check on them. Okay, let's write them. Okay, so and here you have it. You have the whole plots and also the bibliography. So I thought we will have a lot of errors, but we don't. It worked. So see you.